Hello, my name is Sarah Duong. I am a project manager and consultant at Concentrus. Today, I want to demo for you item-specific pricing. And the use case for this would be if one of your clients or yourself want to assign a specific price by customer and by item for a specific item. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create those pricing levels at your item. So the first thing you want to do is go to accounting lists. So I would go to setup, accounting, accounting list, and it'll take you to this view and you want to go into the filters and select the price level view. So each one of these are pricing levels that will show up in your item record. So let's now go to the item record and to the sales pricing tab, and you'll see the pricing levels right here. Okay, so I've already went ahead and assigned tier pricing by dollar amounts. Okay, the next step I would do is I would go to the customer record and I would go into the financial tab. Down here in the sub tab of item pricing, you'll see that I have selected the item and chose the pricing level that I want to give this customer. So now when I create a sales order, and you'll see that I selected the customer, and I'm going to scroll down to items and I'm going to select blade, which is the item I set for, and you'll see that the pricing level and the amount came up. So this is a quick way for you with native functionality to assign very specific pricing. This pricing does trump whatever overall pricing rules is set for the item. So if the item normally comes in at MSRP for everyone, for this particular customer, this rule always apply. So they'll always get the tier 2 pricing level for that item. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or we can help you in any way, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.